Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Holbrook. I am from Memorial Park School in Rockland, and I will be teaching some first grade foundations. I will be doing 2 videos a week, focusing on one sound at a time and gradually building on as we go. To participate in these, you will need something to write with and something to write on, and please feel free to pause the videos at any point so that you can do them at your pace. Okay, let's get started with our warm-up. I do not have a baby echo, but as all of you know, I will say a sound and you will repeat it. Here we go. I'm only going to do the sounds that I think a lot of you need to work on and the vowels. Repeat after me. A, apple, a. B, b. D, d. E, ed, e. G, g. J, j. M, m. N, n. O, octopus, ah. Q, U, qu. U, X, x. Y, y. Z, z. Now for our digraphs. W, H, whistle, w. C, H, chin, ch. S, H, ship, sh. TH, thumb, CK, sock, k. Great job. Let's review our glute sounds now. ALL, ball, all. Remember, repeat after me. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. And now instead of doing all of our glute sounds, today we are going to be focusing on this one right here. ING, ring, ing. Let's think for a second. Can you think of any words that rhyme with ring? Rhyming means they sound the same at the end. Ring, thing. Ooh, I see a string. Good. Keep thinking at home, and we'll be writing some of these words and reading them in a little bit. Okay. The next part of our warm-up is always singing our vowels. Vowels can be tricky in words, so we have to really practice that. Sing with me and point along on the letter as you go. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Way to go. And now for our R controls. We just started learning these, so these are still a little tricky, but let's practice. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, And our trick word of the day today is going to be, can you read it? This word says was. What makes this word tricky? W. It starts with a W. That's not tricky. Ooh, it sounds like a U, but it's an A. Z. Sounds like a Z at the end, but it's an S. Those are the tricky parts of was. At home, take your finger and practice writing was on a surface. W-A-S. Was. If this word wasn't easy for you, I want you to keep practicing it today and look for it while you do your reading. And now to get into our practice words. We said that we are going to be working on ING. So here are some ING words. Let's read them together. King, sting, and if these are a little tricky for you to read quickly and automatically, I'm going to back it up for a second and remind us that all of us readers are different. So some of us might need to tap these words out, and some of us can read them quickly and automatically, and that's okay. If you need to tap these out, remember, ING is a glued sound. It's glued together to make the sound ing. So when we tap this, we would say k-ing, king, s-ing, sing. And then there's a digraph right there, so we do 2 fingers for ing, thing, ing, ring, ing, ring, sing, sing. I'm going to try to really blend those sounds. Ooh, I see a blend here. St, ing, sting, ing, thing, w-ing, wing, m-ing, ming, b-ing, bing, s-ing, sing. And the last row is always some review words. Ish, fish, it'll, pill, and then add the suffix s, pills. Maps, wig. Remember, try to do these without tapping. The tapping is there for you if you get stuck. Good. You can pause the screen and keep practice reading these smoothly. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is practice some dictation. So this is where you are going to get ready to write. So here we go. We know that we're working on words that have ing. So get ready. The first word is thing. Let's tap it. I'm backwards on the camera. Let's tap it. Ing. Go ahead and write it. You can pause here if you want, and then you can check it with mine. I'm going to build it. And I'm also going to use a different screen where I can write it too. Have all of my foundations lines here. And it's important that at home while you're writing, you remember to use the proper grip. You want to make sure that you are pinching and wrapping your fingers, okay, having the right angle. And I'm going to make the word thing. Oops, not a good color. Where did black go? There we go. Okay. Start up in the skyline. I'm going to go all the way down to the grass. Okay, what did we hear at the beginning, everyone, for thing? Very good. That's right. It's T-H. And then we have our glute sound of the day. Ing. And don't forget, don't pick up your pencil. Trace back up when you make those letters. And my G goes all the way down to the word line. Let's mark it up. What can you see that you can mark? That's right. You should be underlining the digraph and boxing in the glute sound. This is how we check our work and we make sure we have all the sounds we need. Okay, erase and get ready for the next word. Repeat after me. Bring. Like, I'm going to bring you some cookies. Bring. Let's tap it out. B-er-ing. Bring. Did you see how I just blended it back together? We don't want to do that when we're trying to write it. We want to separate all the sounds so we can hear a sound, write a sound. Let's take it one at a time. Pause me here to do it yourself, or keep listening for some help. The first sound was B, B. I want to make sure my B goes the right way. Let me get my marker here. All the way down, trace back up and around. The B has a belly. The B also starts with the long line because when you make the B sound, it looks like lips. These are a few different cues we use. Okay, our word was bring. B, B, Okay, R. And then easy. B, B, ing, ing. That's our glute sound of the day. I-N-G. I-N-G, bring, ing. Okay, please mark the blend. A blend is marked by a little line under each part of it because it's two separate sounds blended together. Please mark the glute sound. We know our glute sound. It's ing. Great work over there. Let's erase and do one more word before we do a sentence. The word is stings. The bee stings the boy. Okay, what is the base word, everyone? Stings has a s at the end. That means it's not, well, it's not that it's singular, it's an action. So everyone, the base word for stings is, that's right, sting. Let's tap out sting. St, another blend, ing. Go ahead and show me sting. Ing. Okay, when you finish, please mark. You should have one blend and one glute sound. Please mark them and check your work with mine. Excellent. Erase and get ready for your sentence. To help with sentences when we're writing in school, what do we use, everyone? We use sentence frames, that's right. So I'm looking for my sentence frames right now. Here they are. Let me spread out my screen a little bit. Your sentence is, the kids will sing at the mall. Repeat it. The kids will sing at the mall. Okay, let me pull our frames down. I need to start with a capital. The kids will sing at the mall. Doesn't quite fit on my screen, but that's okay. Okay, let's go ahead and circle the trick words. The is a trick word. Kids you can tap out. Will you can tap out. Watch out for bonus letters. The kids will sing. At is a trick word that you can tap out. The is a trick word. And mall. Okay, please pause here and work on your sentence. Okay, great work. I need everyone to check for capitals and end marks. Pause if you need to. I need you to check all your trick words. They should be spelled correctly. And now I need you to underline and circle the base word and suffix. You should have one of those. Star your bonus letter. You should have one. And box in the 2 glute sounds. Okay, check your work to mine. Mine's not the neatest. I'm doing the best to write on the computer. I expect your handwriting to be much better. Okay, and now when we read our sentences back, we need to make sure they sound smooth, not like robots. So let's scoop it and read it. The kids will sing at the mall. Let's do it again, smoother. The kids will sing at the mall. The kids will sing at the mall. Great job. Keep practicing and tune into the next one where we'll continue working on our different glute sounds.